taking me this morning?
This property is on a transitional chunk, like it's a little bit west of Bates Hendricks on Talbot, where we have a couple other ones, which
Okay.
is awesome.
Which we love.
It's a townhome with 2 units, and we're able to get both sides of it, so we can renovate them separately and sell them separately.
Okay.
The site we're looking at today cost us just 15 grand, and it feels like a steal for 1,300 square feet close to downtown, but there's a reason houses like this are cheap. They need a lot of work. This is a transitional neighborhood, so we have to stick to our budget because our profit margin is gonna be tight.
What's it like inside?
It's just a lot of stuff.
No, I mean, like, I like a lot of stuff. I'm
Yeah.
happy to hear that, but what have we got?
Floor
2 stories?
plan-wise,
Yeah.
it's 2 stories. So you walk into what's a living room. There's kind of a staircase dividing the
Okay.
living room from what's probably the dining room.
Okay.
And there's a kitchen on the back. The bathroom's like wedged in behind the kitchen. And then there's upstairs, like when you get to the top of the stairs, there's a room to the left and a room to the right.
Okay. Can we
And-
squeeze in a bathroom upstairs?
I would like 2 bathrooms upstairs.
Yeah. I think that's a great idea.
So those are my ideas for that.
Yippee skippy.
So this is our tree.
Oh, are we gonna keep the tree?
I don't know. It's either gotta go or be seriously limbed up.
As high as we need to trim it to make it look good, it'll just kill the tree anyway. I'm okay with taking it down.
So this is the situation here. We have permits for this side. They're still messing around with us on some stuff over here.
Okay.
So we're gonna rock and roll on this north unit, but because
Okay.
it originally was a duplex, we need to really make them
So we need
stand
a
apart from each other.
firewall down the middle.
Yep.
Make the fronts cohesive but different. And once the tree is gone, you'll be able to see this really cute little porch.
The porch has seen better days, and my preference would be to re-pour if it's not more costly than a deck. Maybe because we could stamp the 2 sides different.
Oh, all right.
Really mix it up a little bit.
Go crazy.
Let's go inside. All right, this is it.
That's fantastic.
Yeah, one of my favorite things about this house is the doors.
They're so tall.
They're so tall, they're amazing. We gotta keep them and do something with them.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
this
Trash.
is the living room.
This is trash.
Lots of books.
Oh, but look at this.
I don't actually want to touch anything.
Looks like there's a chimney in the middle here. Is that gonna come down?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, and I see stairs over to the right that go upstairs.
Yeah, those go upstairs.
I'm feeling like open this up, but keep the stairs.
Yeah.
Yes.
Well, maybe.
Oh, I got distracted by faux brick. I'm moving on.
The kitchen here is real pretty. Everything's melting. I'm melting.
This is fantastic. I love it when places are melting like this.
What do you think about that sink?
I love this sink. Oh no, we don't love this sink.
It's rusted.
It's rotten. We can't have this sink.
That's so sad.
But we have a similar sink from another house
That's
that we could
just
put
the
back in the kitchen.
saddest. True.
Here, back up a little bit.
All kinds of faux brick. Some more faux brick in here. I forgot this was the bathroom. Come here. This is the saddest, tiniest little bathroom ever.
Oh, look at this cute little tub.
This might win for the most awkward bathroom in the world. This shed addition is very interesting. I don't think the shed addition has any kind of foundation. I think this just needs to come off and never come back.
Okay, I'm all right with that.
Because it's
Well, I don't know what's upstairs, but I assume room for 2 bedrooms? Just from the size of downstairs?
that.
Is that just leaning there?
I think so.
What?
That'd be cool to put back in and make like a shelf out of or something though.
Absolutely.
See over here? You can just, if you shine the light on it, there's a layer of brick, but it's not like a footer and a foundation.
No, they just set it on some bricks.
We can open up this kitchen space to the dining room and have a nice breakfast bar.
Yeah.
But the living room will still be separate.
Yes, I'm okay with that.
All right, so all the bedrooms would be upstairs.
Okay, I like that. I like bedrooms upstairs.
It's a little steep.
Do we have room to make it less steep? It's going to turn back on itself, maybe?
Yeah, we'll figure it out.
Okay. Ooh, that's beautiful carpet. So chimney, closet, itty bitty.
Are those bullet casings?
Yeah.
Why are there so many?
And they're damp. That's weird. Now I'm sorry that I touched that.
There's good light in this room.
Yeah.
So I think we could cut 5 feet out of here. 1, 2, boom. So right about here for a hall bath.
Yeah.
That's for guests and for that front room.
So is this gonna be master suite back here? Oh, there's a whole nother room back there.
So I think what makes sense is have a bedroom and then an ensuite
Back here?
back here.
Is this over the addition?
No, this is over the kitchen area.
Okay.
So if we do all the public space downstairs, we would need to get 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms up here.
Yeah.
To make that floor plan happen, we're gonna need to open up the kitchen and dining areas downstairs, remove that back shed addition, build out a master ensuite up here, and try to squeeze in a hallway and small bathroom somewhere too.
This didn't cost, it wasn't that bad. I think we're looking at like $15,000 to fix everything on this side. We're probably around $150.
Okay.
So $165 all in, and for a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, I would like to say we could get $200,000
Okay.
by the time we're done.
Yeah.
Maybe.
All
It's gonna
right.
be the first one, so that could
Okay.
be tough.
Might be
but
a little tougher.
yeah.
Is this a bathroom?
Yep. Isn't it fantastic?
It's so cute.
Oh, that's fancy. Is that a speaker? Radio?
It's a record player, AM, FM radio.
What's a record player?
Haha.
We're just all admiring Austin's work.
All right, this is our townhome over on Talbot.
North side.
Yes, this one's gonna be really, really cool. It's gonna be very like Chicago loft kind of vibe, I think, because I want this place to feel different than any other townhome comps so that the buyers take notice of it.
Yes.
And once we open it up from the front to the back, then that's when we're gonna get the Chicago lofty kind of vibe.
Yeah.
I want it to feel as open as possible from the front all the way to the back.
Yep.
So to be able to open up that line of sight where the staircase is, we obviously have to keep a chunk of it because we have
Yes.
to keep the staircase.
Right.
But we can push back the opening on the left so our walkway's wider, and then we can open up the wall.
Where this little over-under staircase
Yeah,
is.
so
gonna
you'll be
go.
able to see through the railing to the back, and then we'll get rid of the wall between the dining room and the kitchen and that creepy bath, put a header in there, so when you walk in the front door, you can see through the railing of the staircase all the way to the back row of cabinets in the kitchen. And the addition that's there, we're taking off and not putting back.
The one that's behind the
Is a
kitchen.
hot mess.
Yeah.
It's not a thing.
No.
But this kitchen is gonna be huge and awesome. Upstairs, we keep the bedroom in the front, which is a really good size.
Yeah.
And we took some of the back bedroom to make a shared bath. So this is for the front bedroom and guests downstairs.
Okay.
And then you got your master on the back with the ensuite in the area with like the angled ceilings.
Okay.
So now we've got a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. I'm a little leery of all the public space for how many bedrooms we have, but
It's gonna be a great house for entertaining.
Yeah.
And there are a lot of people that's a big deal for them.
I know.
You know, young couple and they have their friends over all the time. They want a guest bedroom and they want space to entertain.
And I think because of the area, this is either going to be a downsizer house or a starter house. I don't think it's a family house. So I don't think we need to be as concerned with that.
Okay. No, this is great.
Good?
Yeah.
All right. We will rock and roll on these. All right. Now that we've opened up the first floor over at Talbot, we're installing new framing and floor joists. And outside, the entire front porch is getting torn out so we can build a new one. After installing new siding and framing up the inside, we can no longer wait on taking care of the one big problem in the front yard.
So today's the day?
Yeah, we have to drop new water meters in and sewer lines, and so if we want to drink and poop in the house, the tree has to come down.
Well, yeah, because if you cut all of those roots, you now have a dead tree that's gonna fall.
DJ's gonna take care of it for us.
Okay, good.
Not only is it not aesthetically pleasing, we can't install the water and sewer lines we need to without digging up the whole front yard and killing the tree anyways, and that's the only way to get that stuff in.
Taking it down now is the sensible thing to do.
DJ, this is brand new to me.
Woo-hoo. I won't break it. I'll break it in, but I won't break it.
Okay. The exciting thing about a chainsaw, it's like any piece of heavy equipment, you feel so powerful. Did you give it a little gas?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the first thing that happens with the chainsaw is the starting. And you're like, oh, 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 oh.
Sounds nice.
And you put it into, sadly, a living creature, a tree. But that's okay, because it has to come down, and the tree understands. I talked to it.
There you go.
So that's the chainsaw monologue.
All right,
That was perfect.
now you can do the other one.
Okay.
This is nice. I like it. I like the
it.
color.
Yeah, I do. I like the top part.
The fish scale.
that's
Fish
cool.
scale.
I would dig
That's
that.
really pretty.
Very cool. I love this fence
Very
too.
different.
And I mean, just nice, like manageable front yard, enough room, but not like hugely high maintenance. Do you want to go inside?
Yeah.
Jack's ready. He's like flapping his arms.
Renovation.
Come on, girls. Chatting.
Thank you.
I got this. Thank you.
Right. Oh my goodness.
This is awesome.
Oh my gosh.
You like the exposed ductwork?
Yes.
Yeah.
So this was all closed off. It had the staircase that went up, and there was just a door right here. So we opened that all up. This is really completely unnecessary, but it's so cute with the little
Yes.
up and down on the stairs.
It is. I love that.
All right, you guys want to go into your dining area?
Yes,
All right,
please.
come this way.
It makes it feel so much bigger in here. Oh, wow.
Not a lot of our houses actually have dining rooms.
I love this. This is so awesome.
This is awesome.
You have a dedicated dining space, you have bar space right there, and seating in the island in the kitchen.
I love this backsplash underneath the bar there. That's so awesome. I love that.
Very cool.
Yeah.
So before, this whole kitchen dining area was made up of small separate rooms. There was even the world's most impractical bathroom stuffed in here. We took out all the walls to open it up, which made a huge difference.
Yeah, I like it.
All right, do you guys want to go take a closer look at the kitchen?
Yes.
So plenty of seating here,
Yes.
even more prep space and seating over here.
That's amazing.
This is so awesome. I love it.
This is what we frequently call a baby washing sink, but we've never had a
it is.
baby to actually show you, like, see?
This
it's
isn't-
like his
wait,
hot tub.
No, just stay right there, stay right there. This isn't just a baby washing sink. Come here, Jack. We're gonna show you what you can actually do in this sink. Hold him for a second.
Crazy lady.
Yeah.
It's also apparently a Karen washing sink.
Come here, Jack. We're gonna take a bath together. It's not awkward. Come on, look it. We're perfect here. And we'll take this down.
So you guys
and
can
we'll
take
give you a
baths
little
in the sink if you need
shower.
to.
Yeah, absolutely.